kasaga kogera mu lulimi takimanyi ategedde bawanga akabaga akamwaniriza mu nsi time ye bwe yansasula nasasula bright price buli kimu yonna n'abisasula tebafuna time wemwebaza kati azze kumwebaza. It's sort of a Thanksgiving and I don't know what's happening here and we are yet to see. So let's see.
So how do you feel coming to your daddy's country home after a while?
It's amazing. I've not been in the country since lockdown. It's not like I've been, but because I was having babies the entire lockdown, that's why it took me some time to do what? To come back. And then the lockdown bit, then the babies. Yeah.
So how do you feel being home?
I feel so great. I feel so amazing. I feel so great being here, and yeah, it's amazing. Like I'm here with my entire family, my kids. You've seen them, my husband and his siblings. They're all here. The entire Nigerian community.
Hello, welcome to Uganda.
Hello.
Ngomaze nga tuze kati ewaka kiyange kubadde ng'omukolo ogw'ogusemba ekiddako Ritah?
Ekiddako abazadde bange bagenda kulaba omwami wange bonna bajjajjayo bonna tebamulaba emikolo gyonna gyali UK kati bonna bwe bagenda leero mulaba bamusabire bamuwe emisa nokuwelkaminga. Of course eri UK tulina family eri entonotono nga baganda bamu abatini bo bali eri kati masenge yangaba ali eri tulinayo ne maama omu ayasikira maama wange naye abeera eri kati naye ku luno bwe tugenda like official okulaba abasinga enganda esinga. So amazing that tata wange abadde ayagala nga tetusobola muleeta mu nsi osha yanajja n'amulabira manju.
So ekirala omukolo nga guno ogambye gwakulaba famire naye tetulaba bintu abasinga ndirowooza muno
kwanjula twamala okwanjula basasula bright price basasula yaleeta ente 3 ezimu zasabika z'okuzaala ezimu basituma n'amanya gange daddi wuyo musobola omubuuza asobola obabuulira. Yasasula bright price tebamubanja yasasula amakanzu amagomesi ente byonna byonna yabireeta ate yajja olunaku lwe twatuuka yatuukira nga tetumanyi daddi bino abikoze so yaleeta ebintu ate kirala egundi takimanyi kiri wano obutandika kuleeta bintu ze mugambye nti nomperekako sista wange agenda kwanjula n'abajjanga netujjanga twambadde.
In tradition like wabaawo emikolo bazadde ba both sides babaawo emikolo gwogamba gyali UK kyogamba abazadde bo gwe batika ne bajja UK.
Abazadde bange abamu bonna bajja abazadde 6 bajja like patano ne matano bajjako basatu then wano abasinga tebajja abasinga nga olaba jjajja bonna tebaaliko naye nga okwanjula yakola wano okwanjula era n'aleeta aba Kingsmen ne baleeta ebyo byonna entebe baleeta bright price daddi yasaba.
Socialite ow'amaanyi
kiri socialite.
How are you? Hello, welcome. You guys are looking lovely and stunning.
Kigenda mu maaso leero Ritah abatwagala omanya ki kigenda mu maaso leero wano?
Ekigenda mu maaso leero today that has thrown my husband a welcome party. This is his first time to come. We got married in London and he didn't manage to like literally bless him with all that. So today is like, oh, this is his first time in the country. Let's throw him a surprise party. He didn't know about this, so I don't know what we're expecting. Yeah.
Being in the country, in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa.
This is my first time.
How do you feel?
Oh, amazing. Very lovely. The people are all good.
Yes. So was this planned to come with her, or she just surprised you to come to Uganda?
Oh, we are planning to come together.
Yes. So finally, you're meeting the family and the friends. How are you finding the whole situation down here?
The whole situation, like I said, is lovely. The people around, everybody are good, so lovely. So I'm really happy to be here.
Have you learned some Luganda so far?
Yeah, maybe you can try to tell me something.
What have you learned so far in Luganda? What has she taught you?
One, the greeting.
Could you please greet us in Luganda?
When I want to tell everyone,
Oli otya?
Olotya,
Gyebaleko ssebo. So now you're meeting the father finally face to face. Are you surprised? Did you expect this? Aren't you wondering what's really happening?
What's happening here now?
Yes.
I don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
Yes,
Traditional wedding.
yeah, I don't know, but what I know is I'm surprised when I get here see everyone.
So since it's your first time in Uganda, have you tasted local food? Because local food from Uganda,
Yes, name it, everything.
like what? What have you like?
Turkey,
Okay.
Rolex.
The one with the
Ginat?
corn, Genot, yeah.
What about Rolex?
Is it the one with
Eggs and chapati.
chapati?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Ritah tukomyewo keewo tuddeko ko mu Luganda katono nnyo.
Kize kitya okuba nti babloga babayise bakweka musajjawo tebamutwala?
Babloga abasinga bonna nabayise tulina wano abasinga bonna bamu babloggers abo bonna
President yabakiiko.
babukenya ba president secretary general waffe waali coach waali bona celebrities bona babloggers abasinga bayitibwa yabadde open invite bakimanyi si kyo.
Twogere ku ba social media in-laws bawavuba kati
bane ba social media in-laws mwebale nnyo okutwagala mwebale nnyo okwagala naye nange kino kyembaagaliza bazadde bamwe babanga bwe bamukoze emikolo ebweru ngera abazadde bamwe basiimye omwami babayite babakulire ku kubaganga buno mwebale nnyo natwaga mwebale mwebale netwagala mwebale namu welcoming from the airport mwamulaga laavu banange mwebale nnyo.
Ritah nnyo ani akwambaza leero?
Pesh Kotwa.